Book of Meme coin is having a shaky past couple of weeks. However, is this coin getting ready to rebound? That's exactly what we're talking about in today's video. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look on viral token Book of Meme. This was absolutely insane, guys, as this project, when it just launched, raised $1 billion market cap in 48 hours and was listed on Binance within 72 hours of this launch, and ever since then had so much momentum. But what's causing this coin to ripple back and not gain any more attention? That's exactly what we're taking a look at in today's video. Before I start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously. As we're looking at meme coins, guys, we can see Book of Meme is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 at the number 9 spot in the top 10 meme coins. It's currently ranked 106 on coin market cap in terms of market cap. The market cap for this project is $700 million. They're down about 0.06% on the hour, up 1% on the day, but down 23% on the week. What is going on with Book of Meme token? Before we go into the charts, guys, we can even see the overall crypto market looking quite shaky, to say the least, right? We're seeing a bunch of red across the boards: red Bitcoin, red ETH, red BNB, red Solana, red XRP, red Dogecoin. Here's the thing: we're taking a bit of a sell-off, which was very, very normal. I remember a couple of days ago making a video saying sell your cryptos now, and again, it wasn't fear-mongering. It was just that everything pumped so much that it was inevitable that profits were going to be taken. But again, I think in the long term, this is a great time to start buying, as these coins will just continue to pump. This is literally happening week after week. It's almost at this point, I just feel like I'm a tape recorder repeating myself on loop. Fear and greed index is currently at a 58 neutral, creeping slowly back towards fear. But I think this is just because there was a decent bit of sell-off. But again, nothing to fear long term. But Book of Meme is an experimental meme coin that just absolutely took over with a very, very basic website, but a strong community and a focus on artwork. We took a look at the market cap. We see the volume is up or down about 5% at 234 million, main top 40. In terms of markets, guys, you can literally buy this token anywhere. The fact that it has a Binance listing is absolutely massive, and they pulled it off in the first 72 hours, which was even insaner. Now, talking about something insane, guys, I want to take a look at this other project for a second. We'll come back to Book of Meme. This one is Play Doge, the best play to earn Doge companion game, where it's a pre-sale gem that's live right now. They've already raised $4.2 million, and they just went live about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. It's absolutely insane. This reminds me of Dogeverse, a pre-sale gem we covered on the channel that went absolutely to do crazy things. And I think there's a lot of potential here, and the whales are loading up on this one. So you may want to grab a bag. At $4.2 million raise, there's something there that people are loading up on. But what is Play Doge? The ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings the iconic Doge meme to life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure play tokens in the pre-sale to earn crypto while playing the nostalgic 2D adventure game. Featuring a ton of different articles. It has staking, has a great roadmap in place as well. Great tokenomics. Everything about this project is looking super solid. If you want to load up, link in the description below. Back to Book of Meme, guys. We see Book of Meme's going a bit crazy. It has some new things. Book of Meme falls below 0.09 cents as selling pressure mounts. The price of Book of Meme has crashed to a 1-month low, and with all of these headlines, we're anticipating the reversal to come soon. Not to mention, Andrew Tate has been going on a frenzy, literally pumping and dumping tokens, burning millions of dollars worth of crypto. Is this guy crazy? What he is doing, though, he's promoting crypto, and that's good long term. It will help pump some of our other favorite projects, including Book of Meme. I just want to know, on a side note, how do you guys think about this whole Andrew Tate pumping situation? Do you think it's valid? Do you think what he's doing is helping the market, or do you think it's overall bad? All I gotta say is interesting, to say the least. But back to Book of Meme, we can see currently trading around 1 cent. We're up 1% on the day. When we look at the week, we're down a whopping 23%. We go to the month, and we're down about 7%. And we go in the 1 year, guys, we can really see that this one had just popped off when it launched, right? And again, it only got live on CoinMarketCap on March 14th. It popped off, pulled back, and never has since reached its previous all-time high momentum. Now over here, there's ultimate hype, ultimate news. Even the market cap was a crazy number. What was that? It was sitting at what, 1.3 billion dollars, and since then it hasn't recovered to those levels. We're anticipating, as a bull market progresses, it's going to go back to those zones, causing the price to skyrocket exponentially. Again, we're very bullish here on this meme coin over on the 99B YouTube channel. Over on Twitter, we can see just engage with the community. We can see the perpendicular trading, which went live. Go BOME, go home. Just memes, which is a vibe for this meme community world. I think between the whole Andrew Tate situation and meme coin mania, and hopefully a crypto recovery, we are going to have the craziest bull market we've yet to witness. But again, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. And until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.